I'm someone who wears makeup on a daily and I hate having to scrub my mascara off or trying to take the SPF and makeup off. So that's why I'm excited to try out this COLLEEN. Rothschild's Radiant Cleansing Balm was sent to me to try out. So this is what it looks like. It came with this towel. You'll basically put this on your face while it's dry, and then you'll wet this towel and wipe everything off. Taking my makeup off used to feel like one more thing I had to do before bed. Scrubbing mascara off and making all that mess at the sink was a whole process that just felt annoying. But this cleansing balm honestly changed that for me. Instead of stripping my skin or making it feel tight after washing, it melts everything down first. My makeup, my sunscreen, all of it. And it feels more like a skincare ritual than a chore. I finally understand why people are talking about double cleansing now. So you just massage it onto your dry skin, and then you wet the towel that it comes with warm water and wipe it all off. It actually rinses off really nicely, and my skin feels soft afterwards. It's not squeaky, dry, or over cleansed. It's definitely more of a luxury skincare product, but if you wear makeup regularly or your skin gets dry easily, I can see why people love this stuff. All right, so I love the way it basically emulsified my makeup and my sunscreen. It also had a spa smell to it, and it felt, I wouldn't say minty, but it definitely gave me a little tingling sensation on my skin, which made it feel more spa-like treatment. Afterwards, when I wiped everything off, my skin felt very clean. It didn't feel dry, but I do still have to double cleanse, but that's just because I wear makeup and I like to get everything off my skin for the night before I put all the hydrating stuff back on my face. I could see this being used for people who have dry skin, someone who is 35 and above and really trying to keep the hydration from leaving their skin, ultimately for anti-aging. But if you're young and you hate having to scrub your mascara off like I do, this definitely melts your mascara off, but I will say you will still have to double cleanse, and maybe that's just a preference of mine. So if you're looking for a spa-like treat that you can use every night to melt your makeup off and have your skin feeling silky soft and glowing, then you should definitely check this one out.